जय जय शंकर हर हर शंकर श्रुति स्मृति पुराणानाम आलयम करुणालयम नमामि भगवत्पाद शंकरम लोकशंकरम. Kindly like, share and subscribe to anargya.com YouTube channel. Coming 9th of July 2021 is Amavasa, a very important day for worshipping our Pitrus. Many times people forget to worship their Pitrus or do their Pitru karmas properly. They have their own logic, they have their own reasons to justify why they haven't done. Pitrus do not have any mercy, and when somebody doesn't worship the Pitrus, it can even be detrimental to their growth, as if the Pitrus decide, they can even stop the divine energy coming to you. And life without divine energy is as good as not having anything in life. So, on this particular day, that is on the 9th of July, it falls on Tiruvadirai Nakshatram. So, when you are worshipping your Pitrus on that day, it is as good as feeding them for 12 years. It has so much of power. And on that particular day, apart from doing your Pitra Karma, you need to also worship Mother Pratyangara Devi. You might be asking, Sir, Swami, due to this lockdown, I am unable to do my Pitra Karma. I don't know the mantra. Purohits are not there next to me. What should I do? I have already shared in one of the earlier videos. See, our Shastras are very, very clear. If not A, there is B. If not B, there is C. If not C, there is... So there are plenty of possibilities, right? So all you need to do is make sure you call a Purohit or a priest, offer them rice, jaggery, etc. Along with that, you do also offer banana, right? And then you do your Pitra Karma. In case that is not possible, due to lockdown, you are not able to get the priest, etc. Fair enough. You do the Pitra Karma. Today you have plenty of possibilities. No, I do not know how to do this, how to do that. Fair enough. There is a particular this thing called Agati Kirai or Agasi Soppu in Kannada, Agati Kirai in Tamil. Get that and give it to the cow. I have already shared it, I am just repeating it. In my earlier videos, I have shared what you have to do. So now what you have to do is just offer it to the cow. Even the Agati Kirai is not available. Then what are the other possibilities? Very simple. There is this Yerukku chedi, right? The one which the Samit, we use it for Ganesha Homa. When we do Ganapati Homa, we use this Yerukku Samit. Just go, hug that particular tree or the plant, whatever is available. It is available free, right? Just go hug it. Cry, remembering your Pitrus. That is more than sufficient. And on that particular day, after you are done with, come back and then you do your regular activities, plus you worship Mother Pratyangara Devi. If you go to Rameshwaram, a place which is known for worshipping the Pitrus and removal of Pitru doshas, right? There again, finally, after saying lot of things for Sankalpa, last they come to Adaruna Bhadragali. And the Adaruna Bhadragali is none other than Pratyangara Devi. Okay? So, if you want to worship Pitrus, your Pitrus, you can do that in the way I have prescribed. And if you want to worship Mother Pratyangara Devi, I'm sharing a link. Just click on that. We have a very nominal cost. You can worship Mother through us. We'll connect live on Zoom and we can take the Sankalpa and worship Mother. The idea is very simple. On that particular day, we make sure the Sankalpa is taken in your name, which is one. Secondly, the Mula Mantra along with Ashtotra, we combine it, right? So in the Mula Mantra, apart from the regular Pratyangara Mantra, we add Om Shrim Reem Shrim, which is Bhuvneshwari's Bijakshara Mantra. Okay? So when Bhuvneshwari's Bijakshara Mantra is also included in that, you might be wondering, why am I including Mata Bhuvneshwari's Bijakshara Mantra? See, Pratyangara Devi, though she is known for her aggressive posture, etc., in the external side, right? But within, she is a mother of unconditional love, mother of compassion. I have shared it in various videos. Bhunam means world. Better meaning is also creation. Srishti, Sthiti, Samharam, Tirodhanam, Anugraham. Akal, Katal, Arital, Maraital, Arulal. These are the 5 different works. So, Bhunam means creation. Now, somebody where you can get into the pivot of creation, right? If you see, the center of any person's body is the heart. Okay? So she is the mother who resides in the heart. So, and heart is a place of pure unconditional love. And Mother Pratyangara is also the mother of pure unconditional love. So, when you include Om Shrim Reem Shrim as a Bijakshara mantra, right, you are vibrating the unconditional love, and love attracts love. There is none of the negativity will come anywhere near love, unconditional love. Okay, so we use Mata Bhuvneshwari's Bijakshara mantra along with the Pratyangara mantra plus the Ashtotram, which makes it very, very powerful. So even there in the Ashtotram, I have already shared the Ashtotram in the channel, right? Where we use the Bala's mantra followed by the Ashtotram, right? And when we are looking at Mata Bhuvneshwari, she is the base of Sri Vidya. Okay. When the Bijakshara mantra is chanted, it gives the person all that he wants, brings in the desired transformation that he is looking out for. But remember this must be done only after proper initiation into Sri Vidya. Since I have been initiated into Sri Vidya and worshipping Mother Pratyangara Devi, you must also go through that particular process. So till such time, you have to look out for other resources like us. Okay, so I have shared with you the benefits of worshipping Mother Pratyangara Devi on Amavasya Day. Along with this video, I will share a link where you can enter your name, nakshatra, gotra and other details. We will also be sharing the payment related details so that you can transfer the money. We are also available on Google Pay. You can just click the link, it will take care of all other things that is needed. If in case you have any specific details for which you want us to take Sankalpa, do let us know. We will be more than happy to help you and guide you. And once you're done, we will then share with you a link where you can connect. We can connect live on Zoom. Right? I'm waiting for you. All the very best. God bless you all. Guru Kataksham Ambal Anugraham Paripurnam. Jai Jai Shankara Hara Hara Shankara.